So good morning, guys. We are making moves today. We have something special today, guys. And you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna tell you. A long time ago, I always wanted a dog. I was super crazy about having a dog. Well, the issue was that I never got to have my own dog, man. Like, my sisters had their dogs, you know, I would take care of their dog, but it was never actually my dog. The time that I felt that the most was when they moved out and they took their dogs with them. It's like something was ripped from me. You know, I could always go and visit, but it wasn't my dog. Well, today that changes. Today, we got a dog. My dog. A little bit of hers. Our dog. There you go. Doesn't matter, guys. I'm like really, you know, I'm like nervous about it. It's still like kind of hitting me, but I'm excited. So let's go see her. Are you excited?
Go to Chase, yeah. I'm so excited.
We just got here, guys. We're gonna go walk into. Yeah, so check them out, guys.
He knows.
Say hi, mama.
Hi, mama. What's up, big guy? So this is the dad. What's up, buddy? I'll tell you guys, I've never been scared of a dog. That was the first dog I've ever been scared of. I swear to God. You guys seen the Wolf Farm videos? Not afraid of those dogs. Definitely afraid of him. He's huge. That's a horse. That's a horse. We still haven't thought of a name for her, guys. She's really cute. She's chill. I can't. Holy shit, guys! I just got a fucking dog. My parents are gonna fucking kill me. She's just chilling, man. It's funny. So like we came. I mean, we've been looking for a dog for a while. Specifically, like for either a Shiba Inu or a Husky. We saw, you know, a post literally yesterday. Just decided to come check her out, or at least, you know, there was like 6 of them. She just stood out to me. You know, she just seemed like a calm puppy. The way that she was like handling herself. Also, I didn't really say it, but she is a Husky Malamute mix. Alright guys, so fast forward. We spent the day getting supplies, we got her food. Doggy essentials, you know what I'm saying? Now, what's exciting is that my parents did give me the okay. My dad said that I can bring a dog home as long as it's 50% Pomeranian. I don't know if you guys ever seen a Pomeranian. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so I'm gonna see how I can really pull this one. Let's see, this is gonna be interesting. Just got home. We're gonna walk in now. We're gonna walk in. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have Gabby record it so you guys can see.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm serious. Yeah, I'm serious. Here. What's up, guys?
I
got a dog.
What is it, a husky? Oh, what are you gonna call her? Help us. Call her Snow?
So you guys already here, got the thumbs up. Now, just going my dad's here.
Hey, what's up? Husky. Husky. Pomeranian?
Yeah, Husky and 50% Pomeranian.
Okay. That's a good one.
And a little bit of Malamute in there.
That's a good one.
It's a girl.
It's a girl?
Yeah.
Not a boy?
Yeah.
Boy, you're gonna have a...
The dogs get so big. The dogs get so big.
You're gonna get big? You're gonna be sending dogs over here?
No, we're getting her neutered.
Make a lot of people happy.
It's a husky, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has a little bit of mix of a Malamute. Just a little bit.
And Pomeranian.
What's the first one?
Let's not talk about that right now.
What's the name?
We don't know yet.
Yeah. No.
What's the
She's very quiet.
So, one good, guys. Parents approve. Parents, do you approve?
Yes.
Thumbs up.
These are real dogs. They're like...
So, guys, that's the vlog. I hope you guys had a great time. If you guys want to, please comment below. If you guys could, please comment below. Names. I need names. Names.
Drake sucks.
Names. I need names for her because it's hard. I mean, between Mia and Snow. If you guys have anything else, let me know. Peace!